Hello everyone, so here are few steps on how to make quiz on Microsoft Team app. Hello everyone, so first of all you have to tap on this Google search icon. यहाँ पे टैप करना है and then यहाँ Google search bar में we have to write MS Forms here. And when you will write MS Form, then you can see the blue text here. It is written Microsoft Forms easily create surveys, polls and quizzes. So on this यहाँ पे टैप करना है and then द मोमेंट यू विल टैप इट विल आस्क यू फॉर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ID एंड पासवर्ड. आपसे वो ID और पासवर्ड मांगेगा अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम जो है इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं MS फॉर्म्स को. एंड ऑलरेडी आई एम लॉग्ड इन, दैट्स वाई डायरेक्टली आई एम हियर. देन हियर यू कैन सी न्यू फॉर्म एंड न्यू क्विज ऑप्शन इज़ हियर. So in case if you want to make test for your students, in that case you have to select this new quiz. Fine, and then here you have to write title of the quiz. So I am giving title demo test, and then here you can see this icon. By tapping on this icon you can insert any picture. Tap on upload, browse, and then already I have saved one picture, so it will take few seconds. Till then you can write here, enter a description. You can see there you have to give any general instructions to your students if you want to give. So here I am writing all questions are compulsory. Fine, so like this you can give any other instructions also. So I am just writing this one. Now let's move on to the question making. So tap on this green button, add new plus sign. Here you have to tap, and then on very first option you have to tap. You can see this black dot, sorry, a green dot. There you have to tap, and here you can see the space is here for question, and option 1 and option 2 is given here. So tap on this space question and you can input your question title here. So I am writing my first question, what is RAM, then question mark, and option 1 I am giving now. Read access memory. Now second option, random access memory. So I am, as you can see this tick sign is here. ये tick sign दिख रहा है आपको, that means this option is correct. Fine. So if we want कि हमारा टेस्ट जो है वो ऑटो चेक हो जाए, तो in that case we have to use this tick sign also. And if you want to add any other option, any more option, then you can tap here on plus add option. And then now let's assign points to this question. So as I am assigning 1 mark here, and you can see this option multiple answers. That means if any question is having more than one answers, in that case we can enable this setting multiple answers. We'll tap on this button and it will enable. And then required means the student have to attempt that question. Without attempting that questions he or she can't submit. So I'm just tapping here on required. So that means this question is compulsory to attempt for each and every students. Now next question, tap on this green button. Again I'm taking the same. So I'm writing next question here. Now we have to follow the same steps which we have done for first question. So I am writing full form of Wi-Fi. Again I am giving option. Now second option. Like this. So first answer is correct, so I will just tap here. Fine. And if you want to change this option, so you can see delete button is here. So you can see the icon of a dustbin here. There you have to tap, and then next you can see this a text box, a call out box kind of is here. So there you can tap if you want to give any message for respondents who select this answer. Fine. So then after then, like I am writing here, this is right answer, like this. Yeah, any other instruction if we want to give. Sorry, answer spelling is wrong. Like this. Fine. Again, already as we have assigned point earlier, so it is also same, this showing the same point here. And again, required, this questions is also compulsory. Then tap on next question. So here you can see, you can give this kind of questions also, where student have to give one word answer or any theoretical answer he and she can write. And I am just going to delete it because I don't need these kind of question papers. Now let's tap on this आई icon. As you can see, this आई icon, एक आई का साइन बना हुआ है, there you have to tap. So this is how your question paper will look like. Fine, you can see, you can scroll the question paper and then tap on this back option and tap here. From here you can assign any theme by tapping on any of the option like this. And when you tap and when you press back button, so here you can see blue line is here, so that means theme is applied here. And after then tap on these three dots, tap on settings. So first option is show results automatically. If we enable these options, then responder will see their results and correct answers immediately after submitting the quiz. Fine. They will get instant result, students will get. And next option is who can fill out this form. So two options are here. Anyone with the link can respond. That means we can send the link to anyone, but I have not chosen this option. I have chosen only this, only people in my organization can respond, because we have to give this test to our students. And then record name also I have enabled, because I want to record the name of all the students who attempt this question paper. Then one response per person, that means one person can respond only once. So it is not like that he and she will tap again and again and so many responses will get recorded. That's why. Then next is option for responses, accept responses. Yeah, we have to accept responses, otherwise how we will do all this, how we will assess this test. Then tap on start date, it will show you the today's date. And then timings you have to assign, like I am assigning 10 p.m. After then end date, tap on end date, and then same day. Then you can assign 10:15 like this. And then shuffle questions, if you will tap here on shuffle questions, so it will shuffle all the questions. Like we have done just 2 questions here, but in case when we make a proper test for students, so it will shuffle all the questions for every student. Now customize thank you message, no, that is already okay, no need to customize. Send email recipient to respondents, now just this is done. Now tap on share. Now as you can see, send and collect responses may only people in my organization can respond, and anyone with the link can respond. If you want to send link to anyone, then in that case you have to tap on here. Otherwise only people, we have to choose this option, only people in my organization can respond, and we have to copy this option. And after then we can send link to anywhere. But in case we want to show this question paper to anyone so that they can also view and edit, in that case we have to tap here, get a link to view and edit, and then we have to copy this option. But if you don't want to share it with anyone, you simply want to share it with your students, so in that case what you have to do, just move on to your Microsoft Team app. and then tap on assignment, choose any class, and then next, and then tap on plus sign, and then new quiz. Now this is my quiz demo test. So from here I can select and then tap on next, and then I'll set the time date and time. So like this we can assign to students. Like this we can assign demo test to students. So thanks to everyone.